Get on the ground! Grab him, get on the ground! Stop it! Get on the ground! Shots fired!
On Christmas Eve, what should have been a routine traffic stop turned into a deadly encounter in seconds. In Brentwood, California, at the intersection of Balfour Road and Foothill Drive, officers stopped a driver suspected of DUI. But what they discovered next changed everything.
Balfour, Foothill. 044.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing today, man?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
I'm blessed. Thank you for asking.
Thank you, sir. Do you have your insurance and registration with you? Where are you coming from, my man?
The hospital. I just left my girl and her mother and grandmother there.
Okay. From Sutter or Kaiser?
Yes, sir.
From where?
Kaiser.
Kaiser. Okay.
That's Kaiser right down the street.
Yeah. Where you headed to now, man?
Going on back to Tracy, champ.
Back to Tracy?
Yes, sir.
You got insurance, man?
Yes, sir. I do. I don't have the card with me though. But
You got like a picture of it on your phone or something like that?
No, I do not.
You don't?
No, I do
Okay.
not.
And you say you live in Tracy?
I stay. My registered address is in Stockton, but I stay in Tracy with my fiance.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You on a probation, parole?
Not at all.
Nothing like that?
Not at all.
Any alcohol tonight, man?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Nothing.
So the reason I stopped you, you were kind of swerving.
Yeah, because I didn't know who was behind me. It was just
Okay.
blacked out, so I'm like, who the hell is following me like that?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All
I'm
right.
very paranoid like that.
Fair enough. All right, man. Take your registration. Hang on to that for me.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. Just stay in the car, okay?
Yes, sir.
The officer returned to his patrol vehicle and ran Morgan's information. Moments later, marijuana was spotted inside the car. The officer advised Morgan he now had probable cause to search the vehicle and to investigate possible DUI. A routine stop just escalated.
Broken any laws.
Okay.
I'm not smoking marijuana. I'm not under
Okay.
the influence.
I also want to make sure that you're okay to drive, right? Because you were swerving. I just want to make sure you haven't smoked any marijuana or anything like that
I
before
have
you were
not.
driving. Okay. I want to make sure of that, though.
Okay, I will step out, but I'm not going to allow you guys to search my vehicle. You can
Okay.
take the marijuana. I haven't done anything to
Okay. All right.
have y'all search my vehicle.
I'm going to have you hop out real quick, okay? Go and hop out. Just when you hop out, man, face your car and put your hands on the back of your head for me, okay? I'm just going to pat you down for weapons. I'm going to pat you down for weapons. That's how I get everybody out of the car. It's just safer that way. Rather than you digging around with your hands and
I'm
stuff.
not digging around with nothing.
I'm not saying you
I'm
are.
not doing nothing.
I'm not saying you are. That's just how I get everybody out of the car. It's safer for me and my partners, right? And it's safer for you, right? All right, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Trust me. Just face your car.
Yes, sir.
Interlace your fingers on the back of your head for me.
Yes, sir.
There you go. And then I'm gonna have you walk back to the trunk for me, okay?
Just slide over this way.
Yeah, just slide this way. That's all.
not in the doorway.
That's all. Keep going a little bit. Keep going a little bit. Perfect, man. Widen your stance a little bit for me. You're a little taller than me. Appreciate it. All right, man. So you're just trying to go to Tracy, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll get you out of here, man. I'll get you out of here. Trust me, I'm not trying to harass people. I'm not trying to go through your shit. Nothing like that, man. Okay? That's not what I'm in the business of. Okay? Okay. Just relax. I have a seat in my car right there. Okay? On my car right there. Just where the lights are on it. Okay. You said just the jar, right?
Just the jar.
Okay.
During the search, a loaded firearm was found, hidden on the passenger floorboard. The situation turned deadly. As officers moved in to make the arrest, Morgan resisted. Then suddenly, he broke free and rushed back toward the vehicle. He reached the driver's door and grabbed the gun. In that instant, an officer fired, striking Morgan.
Let me see that. Turn around. Z4!
Get away
Foot pursuit! Grab him, get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on it, get your taser! Get your taser! No!
P4, shots fired! Shots fired! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground!
Here's the incident as it unfolds from the dashcam.
D5 cover, closely covered. D5 quick recovered on Fort Foot Hill. I'll use 533. Go.
134, touch it.
D2 now. One round.
Here, tuck in tighter to L-tram a little bit. There we go. Doing good. Doing good.
Not
Doing
move!
You got shield them, shield them, shield them, shield them. Okay. Here's what I need done right now.
Get a med bag. Want to get a med bag?
No, no.
I got med bag. I already got it.
Wells, I need you to block off this lane of traffic right here. Just block it off. Just turn lane right here, block it off.
That's good. I'm going to move the shield.
Alright, get a quick search so we can get medical in.
Romaine Alexander Morgan was pronounced dead at the scene. In that same moment, officers shifted instantly from force to life-saving measures. This is the reality officers face every single day. A routine traffic stop can turn into life or death without warning. One moment, everything seems under control. The next, a single movement. The situation escalates in an instant. A life is lost. Before we wrap up, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. This is Texas Safety Watch. Stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case.